back, enjoy the ride. It's a windy day today on the bike. Hopefully the microphone's working well. It was in the last couple of videos. Down here, the eastern end of the island. Lots of great sights to see. Great restaurants. Tourist attractions. I'll post a map of the route at the end. And we sit back and enjoy the ride. When I see something that we like, or a place we like to stop and either eat, I'll point it out, tell you about it. Enjoy the ride. Okay, dropping into Murray PEI right now. Nice little village. Some good eats. Little restaurant right here on the left called the Holy Cow. We've eaten there. We've eaten at the food truck too. It's great food, good price. Down there we got the Redhead Wharf. Great seafood down there if you know somebody that knows someone. And up here on the right at the Irving gas station, there's a new restaurant to us. We had a month or two ago. It was great. The Seafood Shack. Good food there. You rent kayaks down here, put your boat in the water. Time of year, there's always somebody on the side of the road taking a picture of farmland, somebody's field. Kind of interesting. Now we'll head down into St. Peter's. Some great scenery there. They can get the road fixed up here too. Be nice. Nice day on the island today. 22. with some clouds. Not bad. Nice little village down here. Up here's Rick's Fish and Chips. We haven't eaten there yet. We're gonna have to put that on the list. It's supposed to be really good. Okay, we're gonna head up here to a shortcut to take down the 7 Mile Road to Montague. Then down to what's called the river, Murray River, and the harbor, Murray Harbour. Across the Wood Isles, and then loop it back to Charlottetown. Probably run out of battery life, but I'll throw some music on. Okay, coming into Montague here now. Up here on my right, what's the scoop? People I know own it. They have a location here in Montague and in Stratford, Prince Edward Island. It's a quiet little town. Great restaurants. Do a little shopping. And it's where I buy all my cars and trucks. Right here at Kings County Chrysler. My friend David Morrison. Couple of breweries in here in this small town. One's Bogside, just down here to the left, and the other one's Copper Bottom up here on the hill. I'll actually be passing by it. Both great places to stop for a cold one. Nice down along the river here. Lots of boats in the marina. At Copper Bottom right here on my right. down the secondary road back to Charlottetown. Okay, just up the road here is where the battery dies, and put up a little sign saying the battery just died at this point, right at a stop sign. It was actually quite funny. The next video coming up, my son and I take a different route into Kings County via Surrey, so we'll have that one up in another week or so. Thanks for watching.